Tired of hanging with snake niggas who don't pull triggers. Steady talking that shit like they them real hitters. Baby, them same ones, acting like they day ones. Them bottles popping, the track is rocking till the chain come. I remember back then when niggas used to ball. Now they flooded on the block, holding that Thule hard. Man, ain't the hardest part. Man, I can't forget that part. When a nigga robbed me for everything, man, that hit me hard. You were my ace, you were my homie, you were my dog, nigga. But since that day when you was plotting from the start, nigga. Now that the target's on your head, it's like a thought, nigga. When I catch you with some sight, don't lie too hard. I will never ride again. I can't trust you niggas, you fake and phony. Pull in the back of the station and ride on homies. Can't even keep it gangsta waist and we ain't even. I will never ride again. Should've kept it G for me, dog. I read the paperwork, nigga, you told it all. 12 kicking down the door, my how I take the. I will never ride again, no. Fake niggas like you won't last forever. Same nigga that call you bro, that call you whoa. The same nigga that rob you blind, to call you clothes. Same nigga who's down to ride for the ride or die. The same nigga that fall, soon to get alive. Same nigga that hit you up when he got the drop. But the same nigga when you pull up, he with all the ops. Man, it's gotta stop. I don't know how long I got. I swear to God on my mama, I ain't riding not. You fuck niggas get no respect, no love for me. Until the day I'm in that box, we gonna be enemies. We ain't family. You gonna remember me. You fucked up, yeah, keep that same in. I will never ride again. I can't trust you niggas, you fake and phony. Pull in the back of the station and ride on homies. Can't even keep it gangsta waist and we ain't even. I will never ride again. You should've kept it G with me, dog. I read that paperwork, nigga, you told it all. 12 kicking down the door, my how I take the. I will never ride again, no. Fake niggas like you won't last forever, no. And that's on everything.